Let's dive into one of Playa del Carmen's most sophisticated retreats, the Wyndham Alltra Playa del Carmen Adults Only All-Inclusive Resort. This four-star property has been making waves in the luxury travel scene since opening in the early 2020s, and after examining guest reviews, amenities, and first-hand accounts, it's clear why this adults-only sanctuary has earned its stellar reputation. Situated along the pristine coastline of the Riviera, this resort promises an escape from the everyday chaos while delivering the kind of refined experience that discerning travelers crave. The accommodation options at Wyndham Alltra are designed with one thing in mind: sophisticated comfort for adults seeking a premium getaway. The deluxe suite ocean view serves as the entry-level option, though calling it entry-level feels almost insulting given its generous 538 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. These suites feature king-size beds, separate living areas, and private balconies that showcase breathtaking Caribbean sea views. The modern Mexican design aesthetic shines through with vibrant local artwork contrasting beautifully against neutral tones, creating spaces that feel both calming and culturally rich. Every suite comes equipped with flat-screen televisions, minibars, coffee makers, safes, and luxury toiletries that make you feel pampered from the moment you arrive. For those seeking direct pool access, the Junior Suite Swim Up delivers exactly what its name promises. These 592 square foot suites feature private terraces with immediate access to shared pools, making it possible to literally roll out of bed and into the water. The crown jewel of the accommodation lineup is the Master Suite Oceanfront, spanning an impressive 753 square feet with separate living and sleeping areas, plus the ultimate luxury touch: a private jacuzzi on the balcony overlooking the ocean. The pricing ranges from around $250 to $600 per night depending on the suite type and season, which positions it competitively within the luxury, adults-only market. The dining scene at this resort takes the all-inclusive concept and elevates it far beyond the typical buffet experience that many travelers have come to expect. El Mar Azul serves as the main restaurant, offering both upscale buffet options and sophisticated a la carte dining that showcases international cuisine alongside authentic Mexican flavors. The breakfast spread runs from 7 to 11 in the morning and features everything from fresh tropical fruits to made-to-order omelets, while lunch and dinner services focus heavily on fresh seafood, traditional Mexican specialties, and gourmet preparations that would make standalone restaurants jealous. The themed Mexican nights on Wednesdays have become particularly popular among guests, offering cultural immersion alongside exceptional cuisine. For those special romantic evenings, La Terrazzo provides an intimate fine dining experience focused on Mediterranean and seafood specialties. The grilled lobster and fresh oyster selections have earned rave reviews, and the monthly wine pairing dinners add an educational element to the culinary journey. The smart casual dress code maintains an upscale atmosphere without being overly formal. The Blue Lagoon Bar serves as the social hub during daylight hours, offering swim-up service and an impressive selection of tropical cocktails crafted with premium spirits. The daily happy hour from 4 to 6 in the evening creates a natural gathering time for guests to mingle and share stories of their Mexican adventures. The pool and beach facilities represent some of the resort's strongest assets, designed to cater to different moods and preferences throughout the day. The three distinct pool areas each serve unique purposes, with the main infinity pool creating that Instagram-worthy edge where water appears to merge seamlessly with the Caribbean horizon. This 25-meter pool maintains a comfortable depth of 1.2 meters, making it perfect for both serious swimming and leisurely floating. The adults-only pool provides a more intimate setting for those seeking quieter relaxation, while the swim-up pool connects directly to certain suite terraces, offering the ultimate in convenience and privacy. Sun loungers and shaded cabanas are strategically positioned around each pool area, and the attentive poolside service ensures that refreshing drinks and light snacks are always within reach. The beach access is where this resort truly shines, offering approximately 300 meters of private white sandy coastline with those impossibly turquoise waters that make the Caribbean famous. Beach service includes umbrellas, loungers, and towel service, while the beach bar keeps the tropical drinks flowing without requiring trips back to the main resort areas. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling equipment, with the calm waters providing ideal conditions for both beginners and experienced water lovers. Beyond the pools and beach, the activity options cater to guests seeking both relaxation and adventure during their stay. The fitness center operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, featuring modern cardio equipment, free weights, and resistance machines that allow guests to maintain their workout routines while traveling. Group classes, including yoga and Pilates, are offered regularly, and personal training sessions can be arranged for those wanting more intensive guidance. The resort's commitment to wellness extends beyond physical fitness, with weekly live music performances featuring jazz and acoustic sets that create perfect evening ambience. Weekend-themed parties add energy to the social calendar without overwhelming the sophisticated atmosphere that adults-only guests specifically seek. Seasonal events like New Year's Eve galas and Valentine's Day specials provide extra reasons to plan visits around special occasions, while the eco-friendly initiatives, including water conservation and waste reduction programs, appeal to environmentally conscious travelers. The spa and wellness facilities deserve special recognition for their integration of traditional Mayan healing practices with modern luxury treatments. The signature Mayan-inspired massage and volcanic stone therapy connect guests with the region's cultural heritage while providing deeply relaxing experiences. The treatment menu includes comprehensive massage options, rejuvenating facials, and detoxifying body wraps, all performed in serene treatment rooms designed to enhance the therapeutic benefits. Supporting facilities include sauna and steam rooms that provide additional relaxation opportunities, plus a peaceful relaxation lounge where guests can extend their spa experience. Operating hours from 9 in the morning until 7 in the evening accommodate different schedule preferences, though advanced booking through the front desk or online reservation system is strongly recommended, especially during peak seasons. The skilled therapists receive consistent praise in guest reviews for their professionalism and ability to customize treatments to individual needs and preferences. The location advantages extend far beyond the resort boundaries, with Playa del Carmen's famous Fifth Avenue just 3 kilometers away and easily walkable for those wanting to explore local shopping, dining, and nightlife options. This pedestrian-only street pulses with energy and offers everything from local artisan crafts to international brand shopping, plus numerous restaurants and bars that showcase the vibrant local culture. For adventure seekers, Eckerett Park sits just 15 kilometers away, providing a full day of eco-archaeological exploration that combines nature, history, and entertainment in uniquely Mexican style. The underground river systems and cenotes represent some of the region's most spectacular natural attractions, with Cenote Chalk Tun located just 10 kilometers from the resort, offering incredible freshwater cave exploration opportunities. While slightly beyond the immediate area, the ancient Mayan ruins at Tulum are popular day trip destinations that provide fascinating glimpses into pre-Columbian civilization. Transportation to these attractions is readily available through taxi services and organized shuttle tours that can be arranged through the resort's concierge services. Taking a comprehensive look at the overall guest experience, this resort succeeds brilliantly in its mission to provide sophisticated adults-only luxury without the stuffiness that sometimes accompanies upscale properties. The 8.9 out of 10 rating on Booking.com and 4.5 out of 5 stars on TripAdvisor reflect consistent guest satisfaction across multiple aspects of the resort experience. Cleanliness scores particularly high at 9.2 out of 10, which becomes especially important in the current travel climate where hygiene standards carry extra weight in guest decision-making. Service ratings of 9.0 out of 10 indicate that the staff successfully creates that welcoming Mexican hospitality that makes guests feel genuinely cared for rather than just processed through a luxury machine. The location rating of 9.1 out of 10 confirms that guests appreciate both the beachfront setting and the convenient access to Playa del Carmen's attractions. The value rating of 8.5 out of 10 suggests that most guests feel they receive good return on their investment, though some reviews mention that late-night dining options are somewhat limited and occasional construction noise from nearby developments can impact the tranquil atmosphere. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.